ito pong hakbang no, ng federal government na palawigin no, yung pagpa-file ng donations. Malaking tulong po ito dun po sa mga charitable institutions natin dito po sa bansa.
Planong patagalin ang deadline para i-claim ang tax returns mula charitable organizations hanggang katapusan ng Pebrero. Ito ang inanunsyo ni Finance Minister Dominic Leblanc Lunes matapos ang mga panawagan ng provincial leaders at charitable organizations. Gayunpaman, itinuturing man itong mabuting balita. Hindi pa rin daw ito garantisado.
Canada Helps had joined a number of organizations across the country calling for this change. So we are pleased to see that the government has plans to bring this to government. We do want to remind Canadians, though, that midnight on December 31st is the deadline to guarantee a 2024 tax credit. And that matters because at this moment, the legislation that's being put forward is what's being proposed. It does not mean that it's guaranteed.
Ayon sa Canada Helps, isang charity organization na tumutulong sa 85,000 Canadian registered charities, malaking dagok ang naidulot ng 4 na linggong welga ng Canada Post para sa mga charity group. Isa rito ang Salvation Army, na sinabing 65% ng kanilang taunang fundraising ay nagaganap mula Nobyembre hanggang katapusan ng Disyembre, kung saan 2/3 nito ay mula mail-in donations. At nitong holiday season, ramdam daw ang dramatic shortfall ng mga donasyon.
Many of them were really concerned when the Canada Post strike started that their fundraising efforts that would come through the mail would be stalled or just completely non-existent. We've also heard anecdotally at many organizations across the country, particularly food banks, that they've been seeing a still persistent high demand.
Kaya ang inanunsyong hakbang, posibleng makapaghikayat ng donasyon sa charities ayon sa isang ekonomista.
Makakaroon ito ng sense of certainty dun sa mga donors na yung kanilang donations, even though final nila ito ng let's say January or February, papasok pa rin siya ng 2024. No? Ang nakikita ko lang dito, maidagdag ko, Teresa, no, na issue din dito. This is all already announced by the Minister of Finance, pero hindi pa ito set in stone. Kasi nga nakadepende pa rin ito so kung anong mangyayari sa parliament natin pagdating ng Enero. It doesn't make sense if the NDP or the Conservatives will not support this. No, I think they should support this idea of extending the deadline.
Ihahain ng Trudeau government ang legislation para sa extension sa kanilang pagbabalik sa parliament sa susunod na taon. Kaya payo ng Canada Helps. Siguraduhin ipasok ang inyong online donations bago pumatak ang bagong taon nang masiguro ang 2024 tax credit na ito. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.